Hi, Siraj Dawar here. Hope you're fine and doing well. If you love this video, please subscribe and hit the like button. Let's start. I'm going to show you a few very exciting technique and it's miles virtually easy to apply, so I'm going to expose you guys how you may without difficulty make, shall we say, $100 in line with day as amateur due to the fact a lot of humans are suffering to make money online. So I am going to expose you men how you could without problems make, let's consider, $100 consistent with day simply with this approach. So it is understanding great technique and it's far truly easy to achieve this. In case you want to see greater movies like this, make certain to press that subscribe button because we release everyday motion pictures on this channel, a way to make money online so that you don't need to miss that upcoming techniques. So ensure to press that subscribe button. So meant to start with, we're going to talk approximately what you need for this approach. So you need to sign on at no cost things and they're all unfastened so that you don't should worry approximately a few investment up front and maybe you are going to lose that money, so that you do not need to fear approximately that because it is unfastened to sign up for all of those free things. So first component we want to join up is Amazon account. Second component we want to join up is eBay account, and 13 is PayPal. However, I don't have it at my window due to the fact I don't really want to display you men that, but those are the three matters that we need for this technique, and I assume already 99.9 of you guys have already got those free matters. So now guys, I'm going to reveal you how you can earn cash with these free. It's miles simply easy, and I do not in reality see, I don't virtually see the purpose why people aren't taking gain of this method. So what you need to do is you need to first pause on Amazon and you want to search for these days trendy deals. So I'm going to reveal you men. Oh, why is that so? You may see this price. The fee of this product was $19.99, but today it's miles on sale of $15, and you may see that is $5 less than the charge that become indexed. So I am going to show you guys how you can take advantage of this sale and make cash. So first of all, you are going to see here is the timer when you can see how lengthy this deal is going to display. So you can hear, you may see this product is going to live here for this price 14 hours and 60 minutes extra. So you can see countdown iPad, some of the products are here, shall we say 26 hours, a number of 26 men. Sorry, some of the goods have in the future or something like that. So some you want to do take, him going to expose you men how you can take advantage of those. So first element you want to do is you need to click in this product and you need to duplicate this name indexed right here. So what we want to do, and additionally you may see consumer evaluations. So human beings are, this is the quality dealer item here for gardening or something like that. I do not even recognize what is this. However, you could see it's miles. It has a whole lot of superb reviews and it's far the high quality vendor, so which means a number of people are searching for this product. So what we want to do now is as I said, we want to copy this call and we're going to paste it on eBay. So right here what we are able to see is that this object is listed for $25. So what does this imply? If we promote this object from Amazon for $30.25, we are going to get nearly $10 earnings, which is really loopy simply from this product. So guys, to perform a little, let's calculate it a bit. So what we need to do is we have 25 of $24.70, 14.99. I am going to mention $15, so that is $9.70. So this is the profit. And what we additionally want to consider is while someone buys on eBay, they are going to take, I suppose, 8% cut. I'm no longer 100 positive, but let's say we're going to say they're going to take 9. They may be going to take $10, 10% cut. In order that 10% might be around 90 cents. So shall we embrace 90 cents, so that you would keep 8 greenbacks and 80 cents profit. So right here you may see, guys, why this method is sincerely smooth. So you do not need to promote for the same charge that this man is selling. You want to Here you could see this guy's probably Doing at this technique, he is selling it for $3 much less. And in case you think about it, why is he doing that? Due to the fact he desires to promote this product, and while humans see $24 from this guy and $21 from this guy, what you observed have to I purchase it for petrodollars over $21, so and hip turned into to be going to shop for it for $21, so that you want to pay the very best rate and you want to place a bit less due to the fact they may be likely going to buy this product from you in place of for the better fee. So we will do that for any other product, and you want to listing as many products as you can, and as soon as this timer is out you need to remove your list because they may be going to this rate goes to arise once more. So right here you may see these product charges $17 here, and they're promoting it right now the top box for $9. So what are we going to do is we need to copy and paste the call, and no longer you're not going to see usually the decrease fee. So after you do not see they're selling it for, let's say, a higher charge on eBay, you want to pass that product. So right here you could see they are promoting this object for $9.99, and this product right here eBay costs $27. So you can see how huge capability is here. $27.99, 0.99 fee, $9.99 possibly just from this product, and we are going to get 10% reduce for that. From eBay they are going to keep $1 greenback and 80 cents, so that you are going to get $16.02 simply from this product. I suppose this is crazy, and as I said, you are not going to preserve the equal price, you are going to put her decrease rate right here. You can see why is this product amazing, because no person is doing this. Likely this guy, he is smart enough to do that much to the quid. He is going to get a whole lot of cash just from this product, so he can see he's going to get 16 plus $16.00, and if he sells, let's consider 5 of these merchandise according today, he's going to get around 80. This is not possible to handle if he sells 16 greenbacks and cents times, let's consider 5, he is going to get $81 earnings simply from this product if he gets 5 income. So shall we say you get 1 sale from this product, 1 promote, 1 sale from this product, and you are going to get income because human beings are attempting to find this product on eBay. That is why eBay's so big, due to the fact people pass on eBay, search for the products, and they may be likely going to find your product due to the fact you can see for this product they do not have quite a few products here for sale. So you want to do as many as you can, as I said, and once you see this timer ends, the fee goes to move up. So you need to remove the list from eBay as soon as the timer goes out. So here you can see I'm going to expose you mint simply one more product, because let's assume this product, so this product is selling for, so this product was $18 and now it is $14. So I assume this product goes to be a bit much less on eBay. This is why I'm going to expose you guys, because every now and then you will see the product goes to be much less on eBay. They may be on Amazon, but you will get income with. Additionally, this product you can see they are promoting it for $14, and on eBay they are selling it for 20 greenbacks and 99 cents. So here you can see this product is promoting, you could see 164 assault. So I'm going to do a fast calculation of his income simply from this product. I suppose that is without a doubt crazy. So the price that he is promoting it for is $22.99, 14 greenbacks and 59 cents, and 10% cut from eBay. So that is 0 factor, $84. So he is getting 7 greenbacks and 56 cents just earnings just from 1 sale, and he got 164 sales, 164 income. Right here you can see what is happening with this calculator. So I do not know, sorry guys, of 4084 times 164, but he has made $1,239.84 a clean income simply from this product, and consider he's probably not going to sell simply this product, he is going to promote, I think, heaps of merchandise, and you could see how you could make a number of cash Doing this technique he is now not likely made this money in one day simply from this product. However, let's see in 1 month you make $1,103.09 just from one product, and you've got 10 merchandise like that, so this is nearly 13,000 greenbacks profit consistent with months simply from this method. So guys, in case you need to see as I stated greater videos like this, make sure to press that subscribe button because I am going to expose you more strategies like this. And if you need to see, as I said, extra medals like this, make certain to press that like button because this is going to reveal show me what you want to. You guys want to see extra films like this, so make sure to press that like button and make sure to press that subscribe button in case you want to see, as I said, more films like this. So thank you for looking. See you quickly and bye.